But if one speaker would like to leave early for any emergency or any requirement, a person has got a full free will and a choice. I would respect that requirement. But we'll continue question answer for 50 minutes. I've written down the time, 12:45. Close down at around 1:30. Right? So I think that is being very fair and clear on my part. The next question for Dr. Zakir.
Assalamu alaikum, Zakir bhai. My name is Khan Abdul Sami, and my question to you is, food value charts are distributed by vegetarians showing that the proteins and iron content of vegetarian food is higher than non-veg food. And thus they say veg food is more nutritious than non-food. Your comments, please. Thank you.
So, brother asked a very good question. I would like to reply to the question posed by the learned speaker also. He doesn't know who distributed them. It is given in writing out here. It is given by Rishabh Foundation to IRF saying, we would be pleased to give you more such material in huge quantities if you like the same to be circulated among Muslim brothers in Mumbai. Free of charge, huh? The brother has asked a question that there are fruit charts being distributed. Yes, even we get in our foundation. We didn't respond, saying that it's not worth responding. It's not worth responding. But when the request came from the Rishabh Foundation, are you willing? I reluctantly agreed, it is not a topic of scientific thing. It's a well-known fact. He said, yes, we'll debate. I said, fine. So I'm here, just replying. Why should people get irritated? If you can quote me from any book, as long as it's within the topic, I will inshallah answer. If I don't know, I will say I don't know. If I know, I will say no. I know your question, and when I got that chart, it gives food value chart, saying that protein among the veg food is more than non-veg food. And even Mr. Rashmi Azhaveri in his talk, he said that the value of proteins, the quantity is more. Mr. Rashmi Azhaveri said that there were only 3 essential amino acids. You ask any doctor, it is not 3, it is 8. No wonder 5 is lacking. It is 8 essential amino acids which are not synthesized in the body. The remaining are synthesized. These essential amino acids should be given by the external food source. The proteins of animal foods, they are biologically complete, known as higher protein, because they contain all the 8 essential amino acids. The veg protein are lacking in 1 or more of the essential amino acids. It's a scientific answer. So even though the value may be more, 20 up, 10 down, it is not complete. The veg protein, the incomplete protein of lesser quality, animal protein is of higher quality and complete protein. Similarly, if you analyze, even the iron you get from the diet is of 2 types. One is heme iron, one is non-heme iron. Heme iron can be absorbed easily in the body. Non-heme iron cannot be absorbed easily. In the animal food, there is heme iron as well as non-heme iron. The vegetable food contains very little heme iron. Therefore, they cannot absorb. Therefore, there's more deficiency of iron in them. So even I agree with you, the iron content in figures may be high. The protein content may be higher. Down the conclusion is, veg food is more nutritive. It's misleading the people. It's nothing but misleading. I would call it in plain English, fraud. Who's doing it? Some vegetarian society. Misleading the people. And fraud is prohibited in every religion, small or big. Whether major or minor religion, fraud is prohibited.
Please.
I'm always prepared. I'm always prepared when I quote scriptures. Therefore, it's not on the table, it's inside. I wasn't supposed to quote unless compelled otherwise. Now they're compelling me to answer. Therefore, I kept it behind. Otherwise, my books are in the front always. They're compelling me to reply, therefore I'm replying. It's within the rules of the debate. I haven't completed yet. I have to speak for 5 minutes. What?
We would request anyone not to disturb in between.
Yes, please don't disturb
The question.
And you can say, who's disturbing? See,
we'll
when I'm
allow
speaking,
another 20 seconds, because this wastes time, and then my time is up, I will stop the speaker.
no, but someone disturbs me, I should get more time.
Okay, we get. Complete the answer in 30 seconds.
It's further mentioned in the Manusmriti, chapter number 5, verse number 35, you can have meat. In Rig Veda, book number 10, hymn number 16, verse number 10, you can have meat. Rig Veda, book number 10, hymn number 85, verse number 13. Rig Veda, book number 10, hymn number 86, verse number 13. Says the same thing. You can have meat. In Mahabharata, Anushashan Parv, chapter 88. If you read, Bhishma gives the advice to Yudhishthir. It's also mentioned in Manusmriti, chapter number 3, verse number 256 to 272. It's mentioned there that if you want to please the ancestors, if you give herbs and shrubs, you will gratify them only for 1 month. If you give fish, for 2 months. If you give venison, the flesh of deer, for 3 months. If you give mutton, for 4 months. If you give flesh of birds, for 5 months. If you give goat meat, for 6 months. If you give spotted deer, for 7 months. If you give meat of black antelope, for 8 months. If you give cow, 1 full year. If you give bull, it is 12 years. And if you give rhinoceros and red meat of goat, forever, inexhaustible. So if you have to satisfy your ancestors, according to Rig Veda, you have to give more. You have to give red meat.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Gulfam, and this question goes to Mr. Zaveri. Sir, in your dialogue, you said, Jain Munis don't kill plants, they ask for alms. So is it that they force others to kill plants for them? Or is it that when they put masks on their face, they are not killing the germs and others are killing the germs by not putting the mask on the face? What is it? Please clarify.
It's a very good question, sister. I am really very happy. Of all the questions, I would definitely give you first number because it is said in Jain religion that you should not kill anybody, you should not allow anybody to kill, and you should not appreciate if one kills. So all these 3 things are there. So if a Jain Muni comes to know that this food is prepared for him, he will not take it. So this is the rule of Jain Muni. When they come to us for begging, they ask us very clearly. We also know that they will ask us, have you prepared anything for us? We have to very honestly say, we have not prepared anything, it is for us. We have prepared, say, 4 chapatis. He will take only 1, we will be happy with 3. This is the way of begging of a Jain Muni. He will not kill, he will not allow others to kill, he will not propagate killing, he will not even eat if he comes to know that this food is prepared for a Jain Muni. I am happy that in this august and enlightened audience, I have been given an opportunity to clear the viewpoints of Jain Muni. Thank you very much, and I will now request coordinator that Mr. Trivedi and myself, it is really going on so nicely that we would like to continue here for hours together, but I am sorry that time constraint is such.
Last 2 questions, we'll allow 5 minutes are left.
I don't think it will be...
I think we have been talking so much about vegetarian food and non-vegetarian food, but we are all hungry now. I think we should go and eat. So only last 2 questions and then we disperse.
Mr. Trivedi has said we'll allow last 2 questions on the mic. When can we have the next question for Dr. Zakir? Yes? Acha, there's a request for Mr. You want to ask question too? No. But they should have to follow. But I think you should have come up in the queue, you know. Huh?
Assalamu alaikum. My question for Zakir Bhai is, are non-vegetarian food deficient in
Achha, there is a request from the other speakers. What we will do, what I will do, see, but there's a request from the set, allow 1 or 2 people to ask questions to Dr. Zakir. What I would suggest, let the speakers, in the time they're available here, let the other 2 speakers ask question. Then Mr. Trivedi and Mr. Zaveri can leave. Then I will give the chance so that I'm not unfair to you also, both people. So that, no, I have told them they wanted to leave, so I have to give them an opportunity to leave. They wanted those 2 people to ask questions. They can ask Dr. Zakir. Which are the 2 people, Mr. Zaveri? Mr. Bade and... आप दोनों को chance दे देंगे. Then after that, we will carry on. The other 2 people will be given chance so that I'm not unfair to them. I hope the audience bears with me.